My question is, growing up, what were some of the ways you were able to stay attached with Khilafat?
You see, I only knew that I have to obey whatever the Khalifa says, and I have to love him. And I prayed for it even. Whenever I would see that today, when I went to see my Khalifa, I feel some different attitude on his face for myself, then I prayed to Allah Ta'ala that if I have done something wrong, Allah Ta'ala forgives me. And if he has any doubt in his mind for me, Allah Ta'ala removes it. So that was the only way I prayed to Allah Ta'ala. Whenever I felt something, I always considered it as my fault, not that he has done something wrong. And I prayed to Allah Ta'ala, and Allah Ta'ala accepted my prayers. And always I saw that the next day or after some time, Allah Ta'ala created some occasions where I was given some extraordinary blessings from the Khalifa of that time. Right?
Ji.
So you should also pray. Seek